What is geography? Geography is the study of the Earth's landscape, people, places, and environment. Earth is home to millions of living beings. The Earth's surface is not uniform. Due to several geomorphic processes, we find different landforms such as mountains, hills, valleys, plains, plateaus, oceans, lakes, deserts, etc. on the Earth's surface. Similarly, there are also some diversified social and cultural features such as villages, units, roads, railway ports, markets, etc. created by human beings. These variations explain the relationship between the physical environment and the socio-cultural features. Over the ages, the physical environment has served as the stage on which humans have enacted the drama that exhibits the entire cultural development process. Thus, geography studies various phenomena, the principles influencing them, living things inhabiting the earth, and the different relationships in spatial context. We are very much aware of the fact that the earth is multi-dimensional, hence several disciplines of natural sciences help in throwing light on the different aspects of the earth's surface. For purpose of study, it strives to synthesize the information collected from various social and natural sciences. Let us now look at some of the basic concepts of geography. Geography is the study of areal differentiation, wherein we study differences in natural space and their association with other factors that bring about the discrepancies. For instance, agricultural practices are influenced by factors such as soil, climate, seed variety, irrigation, technological inputs, etc. Geography is the study of interaction between the natural environment and humans, which is extremely dynamic in nature. Humans, since time immemorial, have been dependent on nature for food, clothing, shelter, and even occupation. However, with passage of time, humans have expanded their horizon of operation by acquiring, modifying, and utilizing the resources available in natural environment for fulfilling personal need. Geography is also the study of spatial organization, arrangement of different physical and human objects on the surface of the earth through use of concepts such as location, direction, density, arrangement, etc., with spatial integration. With the advancement in technology, man has been able to establish a new interactive relationship with the environment. The links or routes and nodes, that is settlements, were used to integrate space, and it was gradually organized by establishment of transport and communication network. Geography as a discipline answers three sets of questions: what, where, and why. Number 1. What questions are related to identification of features of natural and cultural features found on the surface of the earth? Number 2. Where is related to the distribution of natural and cultural features. It explains the spatial context in which things are placed. Number 3. Why explains the cause-effect relationship between features, processes, and phenomena. Lastly, geography as a discipline studies spatial characteristics and attributes, distribution, location, etc., and provide explanation for the patterns that emerge.